I've just created the free account on Basecamp, so let's go and explore. So let's see, creating a new project, just project number 1, and you can invite people on your team. Or you can turn on access, client access right away. And you can even create a project template. That's nice. So my first project, I can add a discussion. So people on the project can be kept in the loop. And you can also share that specific message just by email, and you type the name or email address of the person you want to reach out this way. To-do list. So I guess this is what tasks in a project are going to be. Here you can keep track of your files, attach files here from your computer. Can also like type little notes on a yellow lined sheet. Oh, and the dates, that's for like probably beginning and end or milestones. So I can look at project and they use like cards, or you can change the way it's displayed if you prefer A to Z list. You have access to your template if you create any. Let's look at the calendar. So here, a 6-week calendar. And I guess you can have like, yes, different calendar. You can subscribe to calendars. Everything will allow you to access all the open to-dos. The discussions. The text. The email that were forwarded. Let's see that progress tab. So what happened today? I just created a project. If I click on today, okay, so it's like a little report. You can get like a little daily report. I mean, I have access to what was done. Everyone would be if I add people, so your team or your client. A quick look at the Basecamp free account.